Today I'll show you exactly how to create a professional booking form for your WordPress website using JetBooking alongside JetFormBuilder. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional, customizable booking form that can help streamline appointments, reservations, or any kind of scheduling right from your site. If you want to save time, bring in more bookings, and give your visitors a seamless experience, you're definitely in the right place. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's control panel where all the magic happens. If it's been a while since you've been here, just navigate to and enter your login details. Take a moment here. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to get oriented, but don't worry, you're exactly where you should be. Now let's get JetFormBuilder installed. This is the plugin that makes building complex forms easy, even if you're not a coder. On the left menu, you'll see Plugins. Give that a click, then tap Add New. In the search bar up top, type JetFormBuilder. When you see the plugin appear in your results, just hit the Install Now button. After a few seconds, it'll give you the option to activate. Go ahead and click that as well. This step is crucial, since JetFormBuilder is what will power all the form functionality you're adding to your site. Don't worry if you're new to plugins, you really can't break anything at this stage, and activating is simply turning on its abilities. Once you have JetFormBuilder installed and activated, you'll find a new menu item called JetFormBuilder on your WordPress sidebar. Click on that and you'll see several options, but we want to create something new, so go ahead and choose Add New Form. This will take you to JetFormBuilder's editor, where you can custom design any form, but let's make things even easier with their AI assistant. At the top of the editor, you'll see an option labeled Generate via AI. This feature is a real time saver and you're going to love it, especially if you'd rather not start from a blank page. Click on Generate via AI and a prompt will pop up asking what kind of form you'd like. Here, simply type in Booking Form. This tells the AI exactly what you need: a structure designed for bookings, whether that's for appointments, consultations, hotel rooms, or whatever your business needs to offer. Once you type Booking Form, just click the Use button. You'll see JetFormBuilder's AI spring into action, generating a fully built-out booking form for you, with all the essential fields you'd expect, things like name, email, date, time, possibly service selection, and more. This part might take a few moments, but it's worth it. Think of this like ordering a blueprint from an architect, who instantly delivers a beautifully arranged starting point for your specific needs. After this, you can review the generated form, make any tweaks if you want, and embed it wherever you need on your site. Your visitors will now be able to book appointments or reservations right through your WordPress site, with all the data flowing into your dashboard. If at any point you're unsure, just remember you can always edit and tweak the form, add extra questions, or change the layout to fit your style. And that's it, you've just set up a powerful booking form in WordPress, using JetBooking and JetFormBuilder in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, and don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions about customizing the form or handling bookings. For more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. I've got plenty more guides and tips to help you get the most out of your WordPress site. Thanks for watching and happy booking.